How to add website shortcut to iPhone home screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Safari and then you'll need to head over to the website, open it up, and now you can see the share icon at the bottom. Tap on it. There you can see add to home screen, tap on it. You can name it anything that you want and then hit add. Now there you go. The website has been added to your iPhone home screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.